Okay, hello class. I'm going to be explaining how to complete your homework assignment. So if you open your books to page 40, 9-2. So on page 40, 9-2, you're going to write multi-characters on the final side, okay? So this is the final side of your machine. And so you have your homework sheet and 9-2, 3 times perfect each row across. So I'm going to write 3 times perfect each row. So I'm going to write F, P, L, T, R, B, G, S, D, Z. Okay? So I'm going to check it. And I'm going to go up to the very beginning. And so I have F, P, L, T, R, B, G, S, D, Z. So I'm going to complete another one, okay? Because I have to write it 3 times perfect. So F, P, L, T, R, B, G, S, D, Z. Check it. And so we've got F, P, L, T, R, B, G, S, D, Z. Perfect. So I'm going to write a third row. So F, P, L, T, R, B, G, S, D, Z. Okay? Check it. F, P, L, T, R, B, G, S, D, Z. Perfect. So I wrote it 3 times perfect. I'm following my homework sheet. Going on, and then go on and on until you finish all of those rows and it's all done with the right hand. Okay? Don't skip anything. Complete extras, please. 9-3, 5 times perfect each column. So you're going to have to really keep track and make sure that you do 5 perfect columns. So we've got, and remember, you have the English on the left side, the steno on the right side. If you don't know how to stroke it, just look at the right side of the word, and there it is in steno for you. So we're going to write, get your pencils, mark your books, badge through ledge. Okay, you're going to write that, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 words in there. And so mark your books first and go through the homework sheet and mark it all, and you're going to go all the way to tax. Okay, that first page, 40, you're going to do both columns, but break it up like your homework sheet. So I'm going to write badge, bridge, ridge, edge, ledge. Check it. So I'm going to go over here and I wrote badge, bridge, ridge, edge, ledge. Perfect. So I'm going to write it again. You're going to write it 5 times perfect, you all. Very, very important. So I'm going to write badge, bridge, ridge, edge, ledge. Okay, I'm going to check it. And we've got badge, bridge, ridge, edge, ledge. You want to focus on the right vertical notes. That's how you're going to write it. And then you're going to write it 5 times perfect. Okay, so that's 2, badge, bridge, ridge, edge, ledge. Check it again. Badge, bridge, ridge, edge, ledge. Perfect. So that's 3. And you can put a PF in between. Badge, bridge, ridge, edge, ledge. Check it. Badge, bridge, ridge, edge, ledge. So let's say I'm stroking this and I'm on my 4th column and now I'm on my 5th, and I'm going to stroke badge, bridge, and I just hit ridge. I got to start over at the very beginning of that column so I have perfect rows, okay? So I'm going to stroke PF, PF, PF 3 times to let Monica know that I'm starting over. And so I start over from the very beginning of that group of words. So badge, bridge, ridge, edge, ledge. Perfect. 5 perfect rows. Start over at the very beginning where you made the mistake of that row. You don't start over with the next word. You start at the very beginning of where that row, that group of words starts with, okay? You have to have 5 perfect rows. And so make sure you take your time, check your work, complete extras if you'd like. And then you're going to read page 41, the top part to yourselves. Remember, I just kind of skim over it. You need to read it. Very important that you all write and SKP on the top of 40, in the middle there, that box. 41, SKP is and. Do not write A and D. You're going to write SKP. So I will know if you didn't listen to this because you need to write and SKP. Middle section, twice perfect each phrase. So you've got some little phrases in the middle of the book there. So check on the edge. So the whole first little column of words, you're going to write those perfect. And then thick and thin through put on and act, all those. So you're going to write twice perfect each. So check on, check on. I just automatically put periods. So I'm going to check it, check on, perfect. And so I'm going to go to the next one. Come on, check it, perfect. So twice perfect, okay? Then we have the sentences, 9-4. It says, looking at my homework sheet, twice perfect each sentence. And so there's an example there. I love it, I love it. So remember, the notes are over on page 42 as to whether you want to know how to write the sentences, okay? The stenographic outline. So I'm going to write, I love it, because it's twice perfect, and it's I love it, period. Okay, look at your notes on the next page if you need to know how to write it. I love it, period. Okay, twice, and then I'm going to write the next sentence. I fixed it, period. I fixed it, period. Okay, perfect. And then I felt sick. Oh, let me give you a brief. I felt, if you want to write it, is IFLT. If you like that. I felt is IFLT, and then sick, period. Okay? I felt is IFLT, just so you know. And each sentence twice perfect. I am back, period. So I made a mistake, am back, period. I have to rewrite it. I am back, period. Okay? Twice perfect. Take your time, complete extras. It is the weekend, so you might have enough time to complete some extras. Do it. It all helps in the long run, and it helps you from having to complete extra redos in case you miss something on your homework, okay? That's it, you all. Have a great day, and just let me know if you have any questions. Remember, there are no dumb questions in court reporting. Have a wonderful day.